I've now had close to a full month to wear this bag non-stop every day, even when I didn't really need a medium amount of stuff to carry. My final thoughts on the bag? I love it. I call it my baby tank because it's square and it's deep, and what it allows, the length and the width allows it to carry a little bit more than my thin front pocket backpack, which I also adore. Why do I love it? Number one, why do I love every Saddleback bag? Because it's durable and it comes with a 100-year warranty. For me, I have to have some kind of organization inside and outside of the bag. We've got 2 nice pockets on the outside. We have 3 inside sleeves that are made out of the pigskin suede that you saw earlier in the video. Also, on the very bottom of the inside of the bag, there's a secret hidden area where you can put cash, passport, anything that you might want to protect. The bag weighs 4.3 pounds. If you're used to carrying a Saddleback bag, that's a light bag. I really like that the pockets don't have a flap on top. If I was traveling internationally, then I would bring my thin front pocket because it has all of the outer flaps. I really roughed this bag up over the last 4 weeks because I love the look of that. But this leather is susceptible to nicks and scratches, and even if you grab the bag, it's going to create a marbling effect. Easy to open and close. It's just one buckle to get in there, one buckle to get out of there, and you can pack it quite a bit. Like I said, I've been calling it my baby tank, and I think that might be what they should have called it. In closing, I don't see myself moving out of this backpack for a while. It's roomy, it's rugged, it's durable, and it fits everything that I need, and it's very aesthetically pleasing. In fact, I have been thinking for weeks. I always like to give my most honest opinion of the bag, and honestly, I can't find anything right now that I dislike about this bag. Okay, so that was my review on the Messenger. Thank you again to Saddleback, not only for sending me this wonderful backpack to review, but also, they also sent our group a front pocket leather ID wallet for me to give away. And one of our fabulous, wonderful, longtime group members, Heather, sent me 2 brand new Saddleback wallets to include in this giveaway. Now guys, the reason why I'm able to afford to ship giveaways out on a regular basis is because of our group called Herder Lodge. Herder Lodge is a club for leather goods enthusiasts, and we currently have about 35 members who pay monthly dues. With these funds, I'm able to perform product and gift card giveaways monthly for Lodge members only. Dues allow me the time to develop partnerships with some of our favorite companies like Saddleback Leather, as well as grow Herder Market's charity drive for Africa New Life Ministries, where we just started sponsoring our second child in Rwanda this month. You don't have to be a member of the Lodge to win this giveaway. I'm going to put some details up in the group this week on how you can enter. But if you enjoy the content, the reviews, the photos that I do, please consider joining the Lodge. Thank you again to Saddleback for supporting us. And thank you to all of our wonderful members. I can't wait to give away these wallets. I wanted to make one more note about Saddleback as a company. The reason why I support their brand so much, it's not just because of the durability, it's not just because of the quality of leather, it's because there aren't a lot of companies out there who really care. There are not a lot of companies out there who are open about their faith and practice it regularly, not just in their spare time, but in what they're doing in their business every day. I really admire that. Thank you, Dave and Suzette, for being such an inspiration